AC Guy 1948 here. Here's something a little different. Was doing a little research on this, found a guy named JDL Productions, and he actually had a video on one of these. And I mentioned another one. I had this one and another one to him, and he said it was fairly rare, so I'm going to do a video on it here in a little bit. But this here's a Black & Decker smoke detector, if it'll... I tried making a video earlier and couldn't get it to chime. I think the battery was dead. So I got another one. This here's been up on this wall as long as I can remember. And it don't want to work again. Don't that figure. Oh. So it still works. The button needs a little cleaning, but so I don't know exactly how old this one is. There's another one in the dining room that said 1985 on the back. So I imagine this one's got a little bit of age to it. Here's that one that said 1985 on the back. Yeah, and I actually, this one was still in service. I actually just took that battery I used in there out of this one, because this one was giving me the dead battery warning. So, oh well, it's a universal. But, so, yeah, it's been up there probably since '85. And here's the two other ones I found in the house. This here's the one I was talking about that he was interested in, the 805A Smokeguard. And then this one's just another family guard. I don't know how interesting it is. You can even read. It's just a simple, normal one. Oh, well, it might still be sealed yet. Well, I guess I'll leave it alone. It's still sealed at both ends. But gosh, this one is just not like the focus. There it goes. Alright, so we'll go ahead and, I guess, unbox it. I don't know if it was ever used or not. I have a feeling no. Considering that other one's still sealed. Slide it out. There it is. The lighting and everything. This camera just, it was a new phone too, and it just doesn't work that great. Test weekly. Open the, well, alright, I guess we'll go to the back first. I'm looking through the camera so I can't see much. And I don't like that. Looks like it has a battery in it. I imagine that's not in the best of shape. Hold on a sec. I'm going to open the housing. Oh yeah. There's the inside. If it'll focus. I've never had a phone be this bad with focusing. Warning, something about the battery. Well, you specified in the marking. You know, it's a Duracell. It looks like the bottom's out of it. But we'll take a battery and throw it in there and see if this thing will will chirp at us, so we'll see what happens here. Anything else in the box? Yeah, there is, but it's kind of been ruined by the there's the mounting screws. Yeah, I bet this thing's never been used. The owner's manual, 805A9. But I guess I should have got the better camera. This one just doesn't look like it wants to focus on anything. Another owner's manual. I don't know why you'd need two of them, but okay. And looks like 2 alarms were $31. Found a receipt. And for 2 alarms it was $40-something, so I don't know exactly how much this one was and where it falls into that. Well, it looks like we got a little certificate of something. Oh boy, free first year replacement battery. Send me my free 9-volt battery. Yeah, I could use that, guys. Are you still in business? What the? How many batteries are they? Free second year, free third year, fourth year. I guess it goes to 5 years. So I guess they gave you batteries for 5 years. All you had to do was ship it off. Well, 4 to 6 weeks. Huh. Well, isn't that interesting? Well, I'm going to get a battery and we'll see if the old Smokeguard wants to work. What is with this? But anyway, I just tried to hook the battery on. It already gave me a beep, so. Okay, that makes quite an alarm. So I guess that means it works. That probably used up all that battery had left in it. Hold on. Well, I think it's giving me the low battery warning because every so often it gives me a beep beep. Oh, there it goes. I think that's like the low battery warning. Okay, I'm not exactly sure what happened, but when I turned it on, it made like a whirring noise. I wish I would have got that on camera. I'm a little concerned. Sound like something powering up. This should be a better battery. We're gonna throw the cover back on and see if we can push the button. Oh man, I hate that other battery went bad in there. Clean the floor up now. Woo, that's a loud buzzer. I might just use this thing. Oh, jeez. Alright, well, I guess that'll do it for this video. I'll leave that one alone since it's still sealed. It's probably got a battery in it going bad too. But there you go. There's the video on the Smokeguard 805A. And I need to clean my floors up now because of that battery. Alright, that'll do it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching and have a great day.